Johnny, I've got you something. What the hell is it? It's a guitar. Don't have to be so fussy. Then why the hell are you wearing those glasses? Well, I thought you might like them for your epic guitar. When you're singing or doing your guitar for an epic YouTube video. I don't need no glasses. I'm too cool. Alright then. Here you go. I just said I don't need them. Okay, I'll just put them on you anyway. Ah! But seriously, a guitar? When do I get started? Well, you can get started right now. Well, here's your guitar, and I'll be off. Damn. Here's your epic guitar. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Finished with the guitars. What's next? Tell me in the comments below what I should do next.